Hey everyone, I'm Jeep Momma. The company Maxsa Blades reached out to me and asked me to try their new knife, the Bushcraft Chef Knife. A few weeks ago, I did a video where I tested it out in my kitchen. The owners of Maxsa, a new knife company founded in Virginia in 2023, were looking for a versatile knife for outdoor enthusiasts as well as chefs. They wanted to bridge the gap between kitchen culinary and outdoor exploration by crafting a premium knife to cater to both by blending functionality with durability. The knife is crafted with premium materials that are resistant to the elements. The link to that is in the description below. Today, I'm going to try it out here at the campground. The knife is versatile. Not only can it chop and dice, it can make tinder for your campfire. That's what we're going to go do today. Let's go check it out. The Maxsa knife's blade is made from top-notch Japanese AUS 10 steel, which is a high-carbon steel, making it super durable. You can use it in your camp kitchen to prep meals, and when it's time to start that fire, it's perfect for making tinder, or vice versa. The ergonomic handle is amazing. It's made from waterproof micarta, so you get a comfy, slip-free grip every time. But wait! There's more! If you want to test out this knife yourself, I have a discount code, Jeep Momma 15. The link to purchase the knife is in the description below. And check out my blog at www.jeepmomma.com.